Today we are here to celebrate Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is celebrated every year on a full moon day of Hindu calendar month Ashad. This day is also known as Vyas Purnima. I request Tejasvi Abhyankar of Standard 6th A and Aditya Joshi of Standard 7th B to present Guru Vandana in front of us.
ज्या संगतीनेच विराग झाला मनोदरीचा जडभास गेला साक्षात परमात्मा मज भेटविला विसरू कसा मी गुरुपादुकाला क्षराक्षरी व्यापकता जयाची अखंड भेटी मजला तयाची परमपदी संगम पूर्ण झाला विसरू कसा मी गुरुपादुकाला
ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी मन जाय माझे त्या त्या ठिकाणी निज रूप तुझे मी ठेवितो मस्तक ज्या ठिकाणी तेथे तुझे सद्गुरु पाय दोन्ही.
Thank you so much, Tejasvi and Aditya. These are so simple and humble words which describe our teachers and our affection towards them. Now we have students of Standard 2nd to present Guru Vandana in an enthusiastic dance.
कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी दे दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम ये कहें ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, students of second standard, and special thanks to the parents for all the support that they gave us. The word guru has a very deep meaning. Gu means the darkness or ignorance. Ru means the light or someone who removes darkness. Literally meaning dispeller of darkness, that is the one who frees us from our ignorance. To all of us, our parents are our first guru. They hold our hands when we take our first step. They teach us to see this beautiful world and appreciate it. Later, our teachers take the responsibility of molding us into a kind and empathetic human. They open multiple avenues for us to explore and learn. Through our India has a great tradition of Guru Shishya Parampara, and we have many gurus who are very famous in this, like Guru Dronacharya, Vishwamitra, Guru Vasishtha. Let us see few Guru Shishya pairs. The first one is, of course, we all know them, Guru Dronacharya and Guru and Shishya Arjun. Guru Dronacharya was the guru of Kauravas as well as Pandavas. He had real special affection for Arjun, which helped Arjun develop his archery skills under Dronacharya and become world's best archer of that time. This also helped Pandava have the victory against the great war of Mahabharata. Next, Guru Shishya pair is Ramakrishna Paramhans and Swami Vivekananda. We all know the greatness of Swami Vivekananda when he gave speech at Chicago. But the one who inspired him was Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans. Swami Vivekananda says, "All that I am and all the world itself will someday be is owing to my master, Sri Ramakrishna, who incarnated, experienced, and taught this wonderful unity which underlies everything, having discovered it alike in Hinduism, in Islam, and in Christianity." Such a great impact Guru leaves. Then we have Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Mahatma Gandhi. Again, a strong backbone to one of the most celebrated and the leader whom we are always grateful to, Mahatma Gandhi. Gopal Krishna Gokhale is the one who inspired Mahatma Gandhi to come back to India, to be part of Indian freedom struggle and be a part of Indian public life on a very much daily basis. Then we have today's contemporary Guru Shishya pairs. One comes from the music industry. Tabla maestro, Ustad Zakir Hussain, we all know him. But like I said earlier, his father, Allah Rakha Khan, was his guru. Zakir Hussain is one of the most renowned tabla players of our country, and I must say in the whole world. He says that his father taught him that you always have to have your feet strongly grounded. जहाँ पे हम चलते हैं, एक दिन इसी जमीन पे हमें आना है और इसी के नीचे हमें जाना है. How humble these words are to tell your son, and not only the son but your shishya, to take this tradition forward. And then we have somebody from the sports. This time it's not Ramakant Achrekar sir and Sachin, but we have Pulela Gopichand and Saina Nehwal and PV Sindhu, his shishyas. There are many more shishyas that he has given to India through his academy, which he formed in 2008. Few shishyas are Parupalli Kashyap, Sai Praneeth, Shrikant Kidambi. For his extremely humble act of being a guru, a coach to all these badminton players, Mr. Pulela Gopichand has been honored with the highest award in coaching called as sports coaching called as Dronacharya Award. He's also been awarded as Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and when he was presenting India in international levels, he was also awarded the highest award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. This Indian tradition is very, very close to our heart. We are truly fortunate to have equally good mentors for our children On this occasion, we have Arya Vichare from Standard 8th A to express her gratitude towards our respected principal ma'am and our teachers.
On this auspicious day, I would like to wish our principal ma'am and all the teachers happy Guru Purnima. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanam Bhunatu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. You must be wondering, why did I begin reciting our morning prayer? Friends, how many of us truly know the meaning of these words from the Upanishad? These words are the prayers to the Almighty to protect us, the both teachers and disciples. It is the request to Almighty to nourish both, give energy and vigor. It says that may our learning be enlightening and fruitful. Let us not give rise to hostility. My gurus who have been enlightening my path during the course of my school life, and I am grateful for this opportunity to thank them. What is Guru Purnima? Guru Purnima is an important day when the relation between students and their teachers is revived, both spiritually and academically. It is through a guru's guidance that the path of existence becomes clear to you and you leave behind all the problems you have in your life in order to succeed. According to ancient beliefs, parents are our first gurus, followed by our teachers. At school, we are fortunate to have teachers who not only impart knowledge but also give us valuable lessons that enrich our lives. Teachers are like compass, showing us the right path in the right direction. It is undoubtedly their grace and blessings that dispel ignorance and enable us to grow as individuals. If we make a mistake, teachers correct us, and when we succeed, they recognize our efforts. Our teachers are the gurus who strengthen our wings so that we can venture out in the large world beyond school. Ancient kings believed that teachers are God's representatives, and they truly are. The importance of teachers extends beyond education. It has been rightly said that the teachers are the ones who presents the past, reveals the present, and shapes the future. I remember the day when I was invested with my duties during the investiture ceremony. How can I ever forget the warmth and compassion showered by our beloved principal ma'am? I felt overwhelmed when she put the sash on me. Her guidance has been a motivation not only to me but all of us. She is always energetic and enthusiastic. She not only helps us to develop our character and inspires us, but also promotes creativity and confidence. Madam, the impact you have on us is indelible. Moreover, the team of teachers in our school are par excellence. Not all heroes need to wear a cape, and I mean it. You are real warriors. During this crucial period, you kept learning on with new ways to teach us. Teachers, you have indeed inspired our hope, ignited our imagination, and instilled the love of learning in us. I once again thank our principal ma'am and all the teachers for your constant support. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arya. Those were real true words coming out of heart. Now I request our respected principal ma'am, Dr. Arnavaz Bhagat, to say a few words to our dear students.
A very good evening, dear teachers, our PTA members, parents, and my dear students. At the outset, a very big thank you for making us feel so special today. On the eve of Guru Purnima, for putting up this wonderful program, showing your gratitude. What a wonderful gesture. We are truly touched. This live stream program that is put up, I can understand how much effort has gone behind it because we put it up quite often, and the coordination, the technicalities, everything has to be absolutely to the T. And thank you, dear PTA members and the parents, for working on it to make this day so important and special and significant for us. In the words of Mother Teresa, I quote, "Kind words can be short and easy to speak, but their echoes are truly endless," unquote. So when our children are showing their gratitude through these words, it's not only the words that are flowing from our children and our parents, but they have echoes that reach far and wide. And that has touched the innermost core of our hearts today. Thank you once again. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude. and gratitude is the completion of thankfulness. As principal of PTV ICSC, I feel truly honored and privileged to be a part of this wonderful united family, that is PTVA family. We are celebrating the 100th centenary year, and we consider ourselves very, very fortunate and thank God that we are witnessing this wonderful occasion of the centenary year of a proud and august organization, the institution that has spread from one small bungalow in which there were just 5 children, which has now moved on to the whole of Mumbai in different parts of the suburbs and has made a place and a name itself in Mumbai and Maharashtra. PTV ICSC school, being the youngest among the lot, we started off in 2008, but we have a number of firsts to our credit. And our parents have seen us growing bit by bit and moving milestone after milestone. How could this be possible? This was only and only possible because of the united efforts and support, starting from the management, moving on to our strong team of teachers for whom work is worship. Everything else becomes secondary when it comes to the learning of our children. Our parents who have been our backbone in all our difficult and good times as well. A supportive PTA that has always encouraged us at every area of the working of the school. And not to forget my dear teachers, the little children, our students who are absolutely well-mannered, behaved and disciplined. Of course, they are students and children, so they are naughty at times, but I'm sure the teachers know how to handle them. So every area of our institution has grown from strength to strength. Thank you for this wonderful gesture today. The pandemic has affected every area of our lives, and it has affected the teaching fraternity and the educational system also. The teachers have taken up the onus that they have moved and switched over from the chalk and the board to the laptops and the tabs, and have taken this onus or the mission to make their homes the classrooms and continue the teaching learning process through millions of students around the globe. They are the true Corona warriors. They are the ones that have not let education get affected. Knowledge never stops. Come what may, it has to continue. And a stark example of the same is what PTV ICSC teachers also have been following. It is amazing to see how each teacher has adapted so beautifully in such a short time. And the children have got adjusted and are enjoying their online learning. Tomorrow also happens to be Lokmanya Tilak Jayanti, and merging with the 100th year celebrations of PTVA, under whose name, ethos and spirit, the school has moved ahead. That is Parle Tilak Vidyalaya Association, and all the schools under its guidance, under its umbrella. Values of Lokmanya Tilak: courage, self-reliance, honesty, simplicity. These are some of the areas that we also try to imbibe in all our students. Tomorrow, when we have our morning assembly, I'm sure our children will show deep gratitude and a tribute to this great leader and founder, a great scholar, orator, freedom fighter, advocate, and many more values attached to it, who has done great work for this country and who is remembered every year. I would also like to say that through education, We have the ability to change and improve the world in which we live. So, education is not something that can be considered secondary, it is of prior importance. And going down memory lane, I'm sure all of us as adults also must have gone through it. That sometime, we remember our teachers and we feel, why were they so much after us at that point of time when we were children? Like during my French class, I never used to understand the grammar part of French well. And she used to observe me and she would always pick me up. Get up. What is this adjective for? Why la and not la? And I used to fumble. And after the class would be over, the children used to say, Alnawaz, beware, next time again it's going to be your turn. But at that time I used to detest. But today I appreciate her. And I have deep gratitude for this teacher because had she not pulled me up, I would have never taken that language seriously, and could be I would have never enjoyed the language as much I could do it later on in my life. So I'm sure each of our children also have these episodes of appreciation of teachers and also of teachers who have constantly pulled them up for discipline or for other areas. But ultimately, it is the teachers who have this mission to see that each child blossoms, each child grows, and today's students become the future leaders of this country. So, on this note, thank you so much, children. Continue to grow on the values inculcated by the school. Continue to shine in your lives as good human beings and future citizens of this nation. Thank you, PTA members, for organizing this beautiful program. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I must say that we all, especially students who are part of the 100th year celebration and who are going to who have the responsibility to carry out legacy of Parle Tirak Vidyalaya name itself. When the name has Tirak in it, you have added responsibility on your shoulder. And I hope all our children take lessons from the teachers they come across and take this legacy forward. Now, as you all must be aware that we carried out a small poem writing activity for students from standard 1 to standard 10. Initially, I must say that parents were a little apprehensive that how can a student of standard 1st and 2nd write a poem? Our idea here was to introduce that small words also matter. The gesture is something which is equally important rather than having a finesse. But to our surprise, we received more than 60 entries of poems from standard 1 to standard 10. And more than that, I would like to say the participation from the primary sector left us little confused which one to pick because they were really nicely written. So we have 3 students from primary and secondary sections reciting their poems. Let's hear them out, how they express their gratitudes for their teachers.
Hi! Teachers, my teachers, they help me to learn with fun. Rajeshri teacher makes us read how to grow a plant from seed. Rishma teacher makes math simple. Her jokes make us laugh and giggle. Shiva teacher makes us pray. No problem on exam day. Snehal and Nikita Miss teaches us Kattaki. That's why I love Marathi. Gitanjali Miss makes art more colorful and make drawings that are more beautiful. Kiran sir makes computer class fun. His angels and champions are number 1. Oh, I love my school PTV. Waiting for the day I get to see all my teachers in front of me.
Teachers, we cannot live without the sun. Without the teacher, no one can learn. Teachers, the sun gives us light. The teacher makes our future bright. Teachers, you all are like the spinal cord for our body. You all make a surprise test. Teachers, you taught us there is nothing impossible. If you try and try, everything is possible. Teachers, you all create the future. You also give us a valuable and innovative lecture. Teachers, you teach us good things so we all can become good human beings. Teachers, the relation between students and you, like the English alphabets Q and U. Teachers, the fish cannot survive without water. There is no existence of students without teachers. Teachers, you are the God for us. Thanks a lot for your effort to teach us.
Shari Thorat from Standard 10th A, and I'm dedicating this poem to my teachers. Teacher, an angel of light. I sat in the corner, shrouded in the dark, arrows shooting everywhere. Many hit their mark, and then suddenly, ball of light appeared. Some drifted towards it, some backed away with fear. Out of nowhere came a tiny bird. It sat and chirped on my shoulder, and I knew that hope was here. Hesitantly, I took a step forward, and a kindly face looked down at me. Instantly, I knew there was no danger, but that an angel had come to save me. It carried me off to a distant land, far above the ground, where knowledge was heard and spread, and wisdom was abound. I will forever thank that angel for carrying me away from those shadowy depths. And now I'll always stay in the light and for eternity be in touch. Thank you.
The wonderful thing that we found here, that the students from 1st to 10th standard have such a strong emotional connect with the teachers, and they associate with them, and they want to build this bond of a lifetime. I'm sure you all must have really liked recitation by standard 10th, because they are going to be leaving soon. I hope they get a chance to meet all of you just before leaving the school. Now, I know that these 10 years are something that we cherish for lifetime. And I would again like to thank all the teachers for creating these lifetime memories for our children. As a part of this event, we have a small interactive session wherein students would be given a live quiz. It's for students. Let's see how much do they know about Guru Purnima. This quiz is also a mean in which they will get little more information about Guru Purnima. So I request all the children to either log in through www.menti.com. I'm sure if teachers are also interested, they can log in too. And enter the following code 5910434 to join the quiz. Another option is, if you have already downloaded Mentimeter app, then you can open that app and enter the code 5910434. Once the dialog box opens, you have to write your name as name of the student, standard, and division. Trust me, this is a fun-filled quiz in which you will get to see results. You will be marked if you really answer quickly and correctly. Okay, so the first question here is, who is the Adi Yogi or first Guru who transferred the knowledge of sacred yogic sciences to Saptarishis? We have options: Lord Shiva, Lord Krishna, and Lord Brahma. Your time is getting over soon. Quickly mark your answer. 3, 2, 1. Time up. Okay, so we have, wow. So 96 students gave us right answer, which is Lord Shiva. We are ready to, let's see the scoreboard if possible. Okay. So I'm sure a few children are really excited to see their name on top of the list. Let's go for the second question. All the best, everyone. Okay, so here we go. Question number 2 of 5. Faster and right answers, more points. Guru Purnima is also celebrated as a birthday of a great sage, Krishna Dvaipayana, who wrote Mahabharata. He is also known as. If you have heard me properly, I'm sure you must know the answer.
Time is clicking.
Last 1 second. Time up. Right. Maharshi Ved Vyas. Yes. The great sage who wrote Mahabharata. And again the scoreboard. Okay. Wow. We have somebody from standard 4th. Nice. Let's go for the next question. Okay. As per Hindu calendar, when is Guru Purnima celebrated? Last 10 seconds for all of you. 3, 2, 1. And the right answer is Ashad Purnima. 231 students correctly answered the question. Amazing. Let's see the scoreboard. Okay, so here we go for the next question. In which religion Guru Purnima is celebrated as Trinoka Guha Purnima? In India, across all the religions, Guru Purnima is celebrated. Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism. Last, okay, time up. Let's see the right answer. 114 students getting it right. Jainism celebrates its as Trinoka Guha Purnima. Now the last answer. Buckle up and answer as quickly as possible. We have Aditya Joshi from Standard 7th B leading the leaderboard. What type of diet is normally followed on Guru Purnima Day? Is it heavy and rich food? Is it fasting, light foods, or pure vegetarian food, or non-vegetarian food? Time up. Let's see. Oh, wow. 272 students got it right. This is nice. I'm really happy to see that these students have done little homework when they must have read about the quiz. Okay, so we will have a leaderboard now. Oh no, there is something more. After the leaderboard is not the final one, okay? There is something more to this quiz. Okay. Mihir of Standard 10th. But I must congratulate all the students who gave right answers and who tried to find out more about Guru Purnima. Let's see what's more here, okay? Mihir, congratulations. Now, this is for all of you to express one gesture or one word that comes in your mind. Write one word describing a quality in your teachers which you admire the most. Now, this is your chance to appreciate your teachers, what you like about them. I'm sure the entire dictionary of adjectives in which we are expressing our gratitude is going to be very, very less. Let's see who all are they, what all they are. Sincere, patient, kind, motivating, encouraging, dedication, loving, amazing, energetic. Wow, this is amazing. I'm sure we all look up to our teachers because that is what we actually aspire to be. A humble, loving, empathetic human being. Sometimes very strict, sometimes and always very kind. I must say they are always kind. Oh, they are funny also. They are friendly. And they are the best. Thank you so much.
We'll
Thank
keep
you so
this
much,
open
Amol, for
for
sharing
another
your
30
screen.
seconds. Let's
Yes.
Claudine.
Enthusiastic, inspirational.
Ten seconds to go. And with this, I am going to close the voting. You
That
all
was
can see,
wonderful.
yeah. Over to you, Chaitanya.
This is wonderful. The children are mentioning she's adorable and cute, friendly in nature, awesome. They're appreciating your hard work, enthusiasm, patience, leadership, honesty, knowledge. Oh my God, all things are so touching. And I'm really thanks to all the children who could express their gesture towards their teachers. And thanks to all the teachers for grooming our children so well.
As you walk with the Guru, you walk in the light of existence, away from the darkness of ignorance. You leave behind all the problems of your life and move towards the peak of experiences in life. And so, on this special day of Guru Purnima, I thank the management of Palitlak Vidyalaya for being supportive to us. I also thank our principal, Ma'am Dr. Nawaz Bhagat, who is always willing to give so much of opportunities to the PTA members to be always expressing our gratitude towards teachers. and organizing various activities. On this platform, I also show our gratitude to the supervisors of both the sections, primary and secondary, and of course to you teachers who instill good values in our children. I also thank the parents, students to be so cooperative in helping us to put up this wonderful program, and to my PTA team members to come up with such a wonderful idea and compiling it into this beautiful evening. A special word of appreciation and a gratitude full of heart to the cultural team of PTA who have worked day in and day out for almost a week and are putting up this wonderful program to you. I wish each one of us again a happy Guru Purnima, as each one of us is a guru to someone. Thank you, all of you.